Happy New Year! Did Santa bring you some fabric? Maybe a jelly roll? Well, we thought we'd give you some great ideas on how to use it. First up is how to make this jelly roll rug, which is easy to do and such fun. And the wadding, pattern and needles you need are our product of the month, so come with free UK postage for the month. Then we have a mystery quilt series designed by Valerie Nesbitt, which is in 10 parts and which we will be showing daily, Monday to Friday, starting on the 6th of January for 2 weeks. But if you miss any bits, there's always the weekend for catch-up binge sewing. And Valerie also brings us another jelly roll workshop in which you can use up more scraps. Knitting expert Fiona Goble returns to show us how to use the mattress stitch, which allows your knitting to sit really flat on the seam. And Nancy Adamek gives us another of her excellent English paper piecing workshops, this time entitled City Lights. The Stitch Witch, aka Lynette Harris, returns with this lovely Sashiko needle and scissor case project, whilst our Technique Thursday video has Valerie working on snowballs in the studio. Jennie Rayment pays us a New Year visit when she creates a lovely iPad cover using a Native American-inspired Seminole design. And Lorna Bateman gives us an embroidery workshop showing us the double-sided cast-on. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.